Hello class, how are you today? I hope you're good and I'm good as well. So today I would like us to talk about composers. We'll learn about composers. And specifically in this lesson, we're going to define who a composer is and how does a composer work. To begin with, as you can see written on the board, a composer is simply a person who writes or creates music. Is a person who creates or writes music. So you might ask, what is creating music? So like I've said, in this lesson, we're going to define a composer. That is a person who creates or writes music. And we're going to see how composers works. So like I've already said that a composer is a person who creates music. I would like to see how composers works by creating our own music. Simply creating music is just arranging sounds so that they sound beautiful. They sound with a certain purpose, whether to dance or to make someone feel in a certain way. That is what composing is about. It's about arranging the sounds. So I would like us to do our own trial. I would like us to create our own music, be our own composers. So when composing, for the first time, we have to establish a pulse or our own time of the music. So in this case, we might count 1 up to 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to establish our own timing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after establishing our own timing, we need to choose our sounds. The sounds which we're going to use, which we're going to arrange to create our own music. So with me here, I have a drum, which is my first sound. A drum. And secondly, I have the sound of snapping my fingers. So we have two sounds here, the drum and snapping my fingers. So remember, we have established our own timing system, which goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to compose or to create music, what we're going to do is we're going to create a pattern of the sounds, the drum and the snapping fingers. So that pattern, we're going to fit it in our time system. So in this case, we can start by drum, then snapping finger. That's the first pattern. Drum, then finger. Drum, then snapping finger. So we are going to take that arrangement and put it in our time system. So let us count our time system again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in our arrangement, we're saying first we're going to have drum, then finger. Drum, then finger. So in the second part, I would like us to beat the drum when I'm counting 1 and to snap my finger as I'm counting 2. So with you there, you can use your chest. If you do not have a drum, use a chest as your drum. You can use, or you can hit the desk, or you can hit your bed as well and snap your finger. So as I'm counting 1 up to 4, we'll be beating the drum, and secondly, we're just snapping our fingers. So our pattern is drum, then finger, drum, then finger. So for you, you can hit your chest, you can hit your bed or your desk, it doesn't matter. And we snap the finger as well. So let us go like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was the first pattern. Drum, then finger, drum, then finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember that we're doing this within our own fundamental time. Remember, we have a pace. 1, 2, 3, 4. So firstly, when composing, you need to establish your own timing before you start arranging the sounds. So having done that, let us look at the second pattern. In the second pattern, we're going to beat the drum, snap the finger, then hit the drum again. So it'd be like drum, finger, finger, drum. Are we together? Drum, finger, finger, drum. Like I've said, you can use your chest for the drum or you can use your desk for the drum. So let us try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drum, finger, finger, drum. Drum, finger, finger, drum. Drum, finger, finger, drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so in short, that's what composers do. They create music. Creating music is about arranging sounds. So I would like you to practice. Use your desk and your fingers. Create as many patterns as you can. Establish your own timing. It can be faster or slower. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then create patterns. You can use drum, then finger, drum, then finger. Or you can go drum, 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 then finger. Drum, 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 then snap your fingers. Or you can go snap your finger, 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 then drum. Finger, finger, then drum. Finger, 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 then drum. Try to come up with as many patterns as you can because that's what composers do and you're going to be the next composer. Thank you so much. Have a good day.